Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and product recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the new LCD display screen for MacBook Pro 1398 A1707 A1998 2141 1516 full assembly replacement. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast, having a clear, crisp display on your MacBook is essential for getting the most out of your device. This new LCD display screen is a game changer for anyone experiencing issues with their current screen. With its high-resolution display and seamless assembly, it not only restores the visual clarity of your MacBook, but it also enhances your overall user experience. Imagine being able to work on your projects with a screen that delivers true-to-life colors and sharp details. From editing photos and videos to streaming your favorite shows, this display screen allows you to see every detail in stunning clarity. But it's not just about the visuals. The durability and reliability of this replacement screen make it a worthy investment. Made with quality materials and engineered to meet the exact specifications of your MacBook Pro, you can trust that this display will last for years to come. So, if you're tired of dealing with a dim or damaged screen on your MacBook Pro, it's time to make the upgrade. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the new LCD display screen for MacBook Pro 1398 A1707 A1998 2141 1516 full assembly replacement. Don't settle for subpar visuals when you could be experiencing the full potential of your MacBook Pro. Upgrade your display screen today and take your productivity and entertainment to the next level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below letting us know what you think of this product. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.